Okay, so I went over to Sprouts today and I purchased some rosemary, fresh rosemary from Sprouts. And it was on its last day of the sale, so yes, some of the leaves are brown, but most of these sprigs are in really good shape. So what you want to do first is you want to wash them. Now I'm not saying there's anything on here, but you just don't know. You wash them, and oh, it smells delicious when you do that. You're not surprised. Okay, give them a little shake. Now we have filtered water here through a filtered system, so the tap water is safe. Next, I'm going to show you how to make rosemary vinegar and rosemary oil.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
It's so easy, it's amazing. Get 2 clean bottles like this, says vinegar. Probably be a good idea to use this one for vinegar. So we'll leave this one in the container. This one's clear, it says oil. We'll leave it outside the container. And sometimes I mix them. Alright, so what you do is you take your sprig, your fresh sprig, and you just drop it in the bottle. So look, this is going to be the vinegar bottle. And you kind of measure first to see where it's going to be, and you measure it this way. You just drop it in. See how beautiful that looks? And the next one, you take off any of the bad leaves, if there are any dead leaves, and then you're going to see that this one is going to be too big. So what you do is you just simply kind of bend it down with your hands, and you use scissors. Hi, honey. And you just simply put it in. See how it's falling in like that? So there's the oil. So for what we did here is we added another sprig, fit it in, and I could have made it a little bit bigger because the stopper has to go in here. So you see it pushes it down, but that's okay, it's going to work fine. And for the vinegar, we're going to add another sprig in. You just want, yeah, this one's not good enough to use. Now, if you have one in your garden like I have, I'm incredibly lucky that our home came with 4 different plants. You can easily do this too. And if you watch my video on how to harvest rosemary, then you can see. Okay, now, so you have 2 sprigs in here now. So now what we're going to do is, I bought this at our local grocer. It cost like about $2.50. See, brand new. Hasn't even been opened yet. Make sure you got the vinegar. This is Pompeian red wine vinegar. And you're just going to pour it in. That noise is my wife making me a delicious cup of our vegan coffee, in case you're wondering. Isn't that right, dear?
Yes.
Okay, so you do this, then you put the lid on it, and that's it. Now, some people store this in a dark, cool place. I like to store mine in the refrigerator, but that's your choice. Okay, now the oil. This oil I get from Members Mark. Extra virgin olive oil. It happens to be the oil I really, really like to cook with and eat most of my salads. So I'm pouring it in the bottle. And then I put the cork on it. And what's going to happen in about a week or so, it's going to impart that rosemary flavor in the oil. And this makes just wonderful tasting salad dressing. Alright, so now you see a nice little combination, easy. You grew the rosemary, in this case I bought mine. You have rosemary vinegar and rosemary oil. You can't beat this. You can also do this for presents and all kinds of birthday presents. or if we're close to Christmas, Christmas presents, New Year's presents. Rosemary here in California grows year-round. Though we don't normally clip it until October, November, it still can be used for your garden or your salads. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching this short video, and I hope to see you soon on our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.